I've decided that I should give you people a little bit of a background of what I'm doing or attempting to do here on this video. First off, I'm almost 80 years old, which some people consider old. I consider ancient. But I've practiced law almost 60 years. I did various other things at the same time. I took companies public. I did securities work. I taught at a university. I was a judge for a while. And I did mainly constitutional and criminal defense throughout the country. I tried cases, actually tried them in probably 30 different states, mostly federal courts, some state courts, from the West Coast as far east as Massachusetts, which means coast to coast. I've tried cases in California, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. Somehow I didn't get into Georgia or Alabama. I did have a case in Florida once. Most of them have been drug cases, but more uniquely, they were a certain area of drug cases involving constitutional issues. So, because of my experiences and views and the fact that I taught criminology for a while, and I view myself as a sociologist, I have various ideas and various experiences and conclusions from these experiences and ideas that I wish to bring forth before I croak. Hence the name Dangerous Dinosaur, because I knew I'm getting extinct fairly quickly. And I thought I would tell you sort of what you're looking at. I'm not a professional videographer. I'm not a professional speaker. I've just got a bunch of ideas that I've sorted out over the years, and at my age feel that it is my obligation to pass these on to people. I don't script my things out. If I have an idea, I sit down in front of a computer screen, turn on my microphone and turn on the video recorder and start recording. So I don't outline. I ad-lib most of this stuff. It's off the top of my head. A lot of times when I taught at a university, I did the same thing. I never prepared lectures. I didn't like to lecture. I liked to have participation. The problem right now is I don't really have participation because of COVID and a few things like that. I've sort of been stuck out. I do visit and frequent coffee shops quite a bit and visit with people and tell them my thoughts, things like this. And generally after going to the coffee shop, I have a few ideas and I wish to convey to the public or to the people at large. And this is what you're seeing. So you're not seeing a great deal of preparation. You're not seeing a great deal of research. You're seeing random thoughts as they pop into my head in my dotage. So don't expect a professional perfect work here. Don't expect an auditing job. Don't expect a videographer to make this thing pretty. And don't expect a script. What I want you to view is my heartfelt experiences, my conclusions of 60 years of law practice, dealing with people and making observations and trying to chronicle them in a semi-scientific method for posterity. Now, I would appreciate some feedback here. That's what I'm doing this for, is to get feedback, to test my ideas, test my observation, and test the reaction of the public to them. So with that in mind, I'll start my next Dangerous Dinosaur posting about commercialization of the judicial process. Thank you for watching and thank you for understanding.